this little top Destiny got me. Forgot what it says. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. I'm getting ready to go to Walmart. Phew! Say bless you. Oh, so, you know my struggle with finding great lighting. Husband wants me to go to Walmart to go pick up charcoal and stuff to put on the ground. Hang on. Stop moving. Too much. Wait. So that's what I'm getting ready to do is to go to Walmart. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. But first, I have to put on moisturizer on my face. I had a dream. I had a horrible dream last night. I'm gonna tell you guys about it, which kind of makes me not want to go to Walmart. Ever since I came back from the beach, my face been like peeling and it's dry. Cause every time I get burnt in the sun, my face peel. The skin, the layers, they kind of peel back. So that's what I'm dealing with right now is my dry skin. And it's almost 12 o'clock. I haven't felt the greatest. I'm just tired. I'm not gonna drink any coffee right now because I don't want the rush. So I'm gonna go to Walmart, be mellow. Oh, my dream. I dreamed that Jaxson drowned in front of me and I couldn't save him. Like, they saved him. He like jumped in the water and someone saw him go down and couldn't come back, so they picked him up and put him on this little ledge to climb up. But he couldn't get up, so he went back down. And when he went down, he went out into like this like stream of water. It was like a road, and he went, but it was so deep and the water was so like aggressive, like the wave and the current, I don't know, it just washed him away. And I jumped in to go save him, and I literally see him disappear in front of my eyes. And I came out and they were like, they found him. And I was like, oh my gosh. But that's what's just been draining my energy today. That's why the vlog is kind of late. But I'm going to try to salvage this day because I can't let it end like that. Did not make it to Walmart. No, child, not with that dream. You know, I'm Jamaican, and yeah, we do believe in our dreams. They don't walk straight, so it's not that my son is, anything is going to happen to my son. It's just, I avoided Walmart today. No. So I came to Martin's, and I'm getting ready to go to Hobby Lobby because I'm looking for something in particular. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Let's go to Walmart. And not Walmart. Why do I keep saying I'm obsessed with Walmart? I'm obsessed with Walmart. But I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby and see what I can find. And then I might go to Home Depot. No, not Home Depot, Lowe's. I love me some Hobby Lobby. Look how cute these things are. Like, what would I use this for? Like a tea tray or something? Ooh, I like the white one. This is so cute. I don't know what I need it for. I feel like I need it. Look at these little signs. It's so tiny. I like these. What's the price on here? $2.99. 40% off. So, oh, they have more of the buffalo. I don't see the gray ones. That there came. I didn't get the gray ones. Ooh, I love this guy. Oh, look at this little pumpkin. It's cute. Give me all the fall stuff. I love fall. Ah, what is this? I feel like this should be on my tree. Farm fresh pumpkins. OMG. $3.99. I need this. Why do I need it though? Somebody please tell me why I need this. Farm fresh pumpkin. Oh, I feel like I need this. And I feel like if I don't buy it, I'm gonna regret it. I just love that. What else? I already have this guy. This is what I was looking for last fall. And I have that guy. But this is cute. OMG, I already know where I'm gonna put this. What else? Ooh, look at the little tractor. Ooh, I love this guy. It's pretty.
Attention Hobby Lobby Associates, code 3 to register 5, please. Code 3 to register 5.
I'm not really a traditional girl, like, you know, your traditional colors and stuff. But this guy right here, ooh, MG. I would get this, not this. Like this year, I feel like I should go orange, like, you know, orange. But I don't know. I don't feel like I could pull off orange in my house. Oh, so I like that one. Let's see the price on it. $19.99. So it's like 11 something for this. I like it. Should I get it, guys? I feel like they're going fast and I need to act fast. I can't wait. I have this. No, I don't have this. Go ahead. I thought I had that. It says Hello Fall. Maybe. Let's see if there's another word. Oh, no, I don't have this. I don't have that. Ooh, these are pretty. I need a blanket for my ladder for fall. I feel like I should get it now while it's in stock, but I'll wait. I'll wait for that 50%. You know, you need that 50%. Ooh, these are pretty. That's pretty. I need to get some pics. So, these are all the traditional colors. Ooh, that's pretty. It's pretty. Okay. I love that. Fill that up with some pumpkins and put it by your front door. So pretty. Look at these. Look at these. These are pretty. I could go crazy up in here. I think I found what I've been looking for. This is cute. And they have different sizes. You could put succulent in these. It's like $14.99 and it's 50% off. And then this guy, $17.99. I like it. Ooh. And this guy is cute. I like it. Let's see which one is cheapest. I'm so cheap. This is $11.99. Which one is cheaper? Oh, this is cheaper. A whole stack of them. Like that on the wall. With some succulent. This is gonna be so cute. Like that. Because these would be cheaper to buy. That would definitely be cheaper. Even this is cute. This is cute. I like that. I like that little shelf. How much is this guy? $14.99. Okay guys, so I'm back from Hobby Lobby. Where's the other one? Oh. Okay. So I'm back from Hobby Lobby, and I did get these houses. These two, they were $8.49 for the two, and this is where I wanted to put them on this wall right here, but it sticks out too much on the side. Come here, guys. I need the demonstrator. Hold on, okay? No, not you. Let go. Jackson, come. Destiny, come. It's fine, Papa. It's fine. All right. So it sticks out that much on the side. It sticks out that much on the side, and I'm not sure. I would remove that and then just stack the two, but stop the noise. You couldn't do it. You can't do it. You need to bathe. So I got both of those, and then I got this guy. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna put him. So he's gonna go in here like so. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. All right. All right. Let's hide the tag. So that would look like that for fall. And I love it. I love it. Pretty. So that's that. And then next I got these because I want to start making these stamp books, the farmhouse stamp books. So I got these on clearance just to start, just in case it doesn't work out. I didn't really invest too much money. So yeah, that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. And I got a rain check for let me see if I can hide my number. I got a rain check for these. They ain't had no more, and I think that's a really good price. Hubby's home. He's getting ready to lay the pipe. He's taking a shower. Why is there a random broom just like right there? I'm so tired. Whew. Woosah. I'm gonna go take a shower and come right back to y'all. So,
You gonna make some bomb salad with this?
you saw what, honey?
You gonna make some bomb salad with this?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a bomb salad. Hubby's making dinner. Oh, I'm so tired right now. So tired. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what Rob and I'll talk about that later in another video. Oh, this fly is bothering me. What the flip? Die. Die. Flipping fly. Guys, want me to show you the fly? Let me show you the fly. See the fly?
Tell Jason to wash it off.
He tried to eat me.
Tell Jason to wash it off.
Where is he? He gone? Yep. Rob is making me dinner. He's making me chicken and my burger. That's what I have to do so fly don't get in my drink. Just put another cup over it. Like, why? Tell me why I be forgetting to end the vlog. Dinner was great. I'm gonna see if I'm working on a space in the dining room, so I'm gonna show you guys that tomorrow, like a little sneak peek. Oh, let me show you guys now. Let me show y'all now. I'm getting ready to clean my kitchen. So, let me turn the camera around and show you guys what I'm working on. Okay, so these are the houses that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I just took down that chalkboard over there. It was here, right here, and with that picture, which If you guys don't know the story behind this, I will explain in another video. But basically, the chalkboard was right here, and I felt like it was just too much going on right here. So and I just got this fiddle leaf tree from QVC. They had the best price on it. It was like 60 bucks or 50 something. And it's like that. And then I got the can from Hobby Lobby on their 75% off sale, I believe. So I put those there. I'm just playing around with it. There's going to be board and batten all the way around with an accent color. So I just want to do this space, leave it as is, and just change out the decor, like, you know, the little pieces that are in here. Like, I like that and stuff like that. But I decluttered this because I'm getting ready to decorate for fall, which I already started. Over here. So, and then this, I think I'm just gonna do a what's it called? Oh my gosh, that thing you stick on the wall. Wallpaper. Gosh. I'm gonna do a really cool wallpaper right here, but I want something where this will stand out because, you know, as you know, I have home spelled out on the wall, and I want to keep it like that. So this space is just overwhelming, and I think I want to whitewash this table. It's too brown for me. I'm thinking I want to whitewash it or paint it or something. It's too brown for the space. So yeah. So anyways, guys, that is all I have to share for today. And I think I will catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. So if I don't catch you guys tomorrow, happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Drink responsibly. Drink responsibly. I'm not drinking this weekend because, yeah, I need to start doing better with all that stuff. Like, for a minute there, I was just getting out of control. There's just a lot going on in my personal life that I don't share on YouTube, will never share on YouTube. And it's just, you know, I have to deal with that stuff, you know. And, you know, my dream today is just a way of just saying, hey, I'm getting overwhelmed with my emotions, and you know what I mean. And YouTube is, for me, is what drags me out of bed. It's what keeps me going, because if I don't record every day, I'm not gonna get out of my bed and be productive. So thank you guys so much for, you know, being my motivation to get up and be great. So if there's one thing you can take away from this video, is that don't let anything whatsoever, whether it be your personal life, whether it be wherever, don't let it just suck you in, you know. Find a reason, find something to get you up and push you, you know what I mean? I hope I'm making sense. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.